All units, I got a suspect heading at a high rate speed, heading northbound, black Mustang.
10-4. I think it's from northern something like that. I might not be leaving a note.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We are out here once again for a second day in a row, and I'm expecting this spot is going to be shut down pretty quick. As you see, there's a bunch of smoke everywhere. We've got people calling out for burnouts everywhere, and it should be an interesting night. I still don't have the car back. That's going to be an interesting story, but we'll keep that for another time. Can you guys believe that noise is a Boost's CRV? Well, guys, it looks like our night might get shut down a little early. It's starting to rain, but we might stick around a little longer and see what happens out here.